I just wanted to share with you what you could do with your recipient list with your mail merge letter. So I already have, this is the template that has the address block and the greeting line and the number of tickets. I think I forgot to put it in there, but I will do it in a minute. So I'll choose mailings and go to select recipients, and it's a list of already created, so I'll use an existing list. Go to where my files are located. Ticket orders, and here's my list, and I'll select the data source that I'm using, and if I wanted to, I could add a new entry, or I could select one and delete. But what I would like to do is go into, it always asks you to save, yes, I'll go into sort, and then I would choose sort by last name, and then click OK. So it put them in alphabetical order by their last name. And again, if I wanted to, I could either edit, delete some, or add more by clicking the data source, edit, and I could either add or delete if I wanted, but they will be in alphabetical order when I merge them. So I'll click OK. And then in the Mailings tab, I'll choose Finish and Merge. But I just remembered I wanted to fix that that should be the merge field number of tickets there. Now I'll go ahead and finish and merge in a new publication. And there you'll have them in alphabetical order. Letter 1, it came out how many tickets for. Letter 2. So I just wanted to share with you how to put in alphabetical order, and also how to either add new entries or delete. So you don't have to worry about this with the documents we already did. Thank you.